How's it going, guys? Josh here, and today I'm coming at you with some stuff I picked up. I got the Razer Kraken forged, or not the forged, but the Razer Kraken Pro computer gaming headset. I'm gonna open that up. And then on a smaller note, I just picked up a pretty cool case for my Nintendo DS, 3DS. So I'm gonna open these for you guys, and we will see what these are all about. I recently really got into computer gaming, and I might have gameplay videos up in the future, so I wanted to get a nicer pair of headphones or gaming headset for video games. Let's open this bad boy up. Alright, so this opens up like so. This part off, is leaving the headphones inside this box, and I've actually never got a chance to use Razer headphones before. This is my very first pair. I've heard great reviews though, and I'm excited to see what all this is about. Got some tape here. There we go. Just gonna slide these out like so. We got this out of the way. Alright, here they are. Got the Razer logo here on this box. The tape has arrows that helps you peel off these easily. They came out with like neon colored Razer Pros recently, but I went with the classic green and black. It's Razer signature colors. Alright, so in this box here we have the little welcome from Razer. Congratulations, there's no turning back. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, subscribe to us on YouTube, all that fun stuff. We get Razer logo stickers. That's pretty cool. Now let's open up. There's more plastic in here. We finally got the headset out of the box, and these things look awesome. You can see very light. They're lighter than I thought they were gonna be. Yeah, so these things have nice pleather ear cups, I think. They fold up like that for when you're on the go, and yeah, I really like the way these things are looking so far. There's two sets of cables here. We have this is for your everyday cell phone, iPod, DS use, a normal headphone jack. And then when you plug into your laptop or computer, there's these two. You'll see they're colored. I don't know if you can see that. Green is for your headphone jack, I think, and the red here is for your microphone jack, so you can plug those in. And yeah, these things, the ear cups move and form to your ear, which is awesome. And on the top, we have cushioned top here, and it has Razer's logo. Looks awesome. Yeah, I'm excited to try these out. I'll do another video talking about the sound quality and what I think. These are adjustable, so they fit onto your head and they block out the sound. So awesome. I'm excited to play games with these. Alright, so those are the Razer headphones, headset, whatever you want to call them. And then the other thing I got, this small Nintendo DS case. So let's open this up. Oh. We got some tape on here we gotta peel off. It's a hard case, which is good in case you drop it or something like that. It protects your DS. Here's the inside. It's good for the 3DS, the 3DS XL, the normal DS or the DSi, and the DS XL. So here it is. This case I got at Walmart for like $10. At the top it holds 6 games in there. You can put your game cartridges in there. Here's my 3DS XL. Fits perfectly in there. Should be able to shut this up. Yeah, here it is. My webcam switched the image, but whatever. All you do is hit this button here, it pops open, pull out your game. Yeah, they had a bunch of different colors. They had a Mario one, but I went with the solid black to go with the black DS. Yeah, so that wraps it up. I just wanted to show you guys what I got today. I thought, why not splurge a little and get some get a new headset and a case. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment below if you have tried Razers before, or if you are a fan of Razers. I'd love to hear from you. Yeah, the Razer Kraken Pros, that's what I got in case you guys were wondering. And I hope to talk to you guys soon.